All right, before you post your amazing story, here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to type in keywords and phrases that actually have to do with your ideal client. So, since we're in the real estate business, we want to let people know St. George, Utah real estate, realtor, investment property, homes for sale, first-time home buyer, all of the things that typically you put in the caption. You want to put keywords that are searchable, homes, vacation homes in Southern Utah. Southern Utah, you want to let people know where you're at and make sure you put those keywords all on text on your screen, and then do this one tip. And that is to hold your finger on it and drag it off the screen so you no longer see it. Why? Because you're going to fill up all the amazing things in your video, in your picture. You don't want to, put your text over everything, but what you want to do is move it off the screen so it's still posted in your feed. Why is this helpful? Well, it's so that you can increase your reach and you can start to gain more followers who aren't currently following you. Remember, one big tip is the stories are people who aren't currently following you. Let me say that again. Your stories are for people who aren't currently following you. So you want to be sure to put those key phrases in there so that it pushes people in front of your feed and your content so that it starts showing it to them more often and they get more familiar with you. This is how you gain a social media presence. Hope you've been enjoying these tips. Tip 3 will be coming out tomorrow. That's Friday. So hopefully you've been following along. And if you like this information, go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure to save it for your next post into your stories, and then share it with a friend who's in the real estate business that could use a little boost in social media.